Welcome to EstateIQ, Intelligent Estate Solutions. Trustees, the EstateIQ administrator, sent you the links to the EstateIQ AI Team. If you are an owner or tenant, you would have received the links from the trustees or managing agent. Keep these on hand. You will need them shortly. Open a web browser of your choosing and type chatgpt.com in the web address field. You can add this page to your bookmarks for easy access later. Log into your ChatGPT account. Copy the first link and paste the full link into the web address bar while logged into your ChatGPT account. Press Enter. You will see the name of the GPT appear at the top of the screen. To the right of the name, you'll see a small down arrow. Click it. From the drop-down menu, select Keep in Sidebar. The custom GPT will now appear in the left sidebar menu. Repeat this process with the other links provided. Now that the EstateIQ AI team has been added to your ChatGPT account, you're all set to start asking estate-related or sectional title legislation questions. Next up, we'll show what each of the EstateIQ AI team members specialize in and how to use them effectively.